The number of sides of a regular polygon whose exterior angle is 30 degrees is, see, there are two parts in this. Firstly, what is a regular polygon? Firstly, what is a polygon? And then we will go to regular polygon. Polygon is any figure in which has line segments and which is a closed figure. Now this can be 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides, anything. More than 3 sides, 3 and more than 3 sides. If it's 2 sides only, then it can be a polygon. So 3 sides and more, it's a polygon. Now what is a regular polygon? See this. This is not a regular polygon, but this is a regular polygon. Why? Because the sides are congruent over here and all the angles are same. That is known as a regular polygon. Means all sides equal, all angles equal. So one basic formula for finding the number of sides or exterior angle, anything you can find out. See here, exterior angle of a polygon equals to 360 divided by n. Now what is n? N is number of sides of the polygon. Now remember this, exterior angle equals to 360 upon n. Now we can find out anything if you know 1. Now in our case, what do we know? We know the exterior angle. Therefore 30 equals to 360 upon n. Take n on this side, 30 on this side. 30 comes to a denominator 1 and 12. So n equals to 12. Number of sides is 12. This figure with 12 sides is known as, it is called dodecagon.